Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Since I'm preparing for Ramadan and iftar table isn't complete without samosa. So today I'm making chicken samosa. I've already shared the recipe for beef samosa and I will link it down below for you guys. So let's go and make it happen. First we're gonna make a filling, and for that heat very little oil in a pan and then add some finely chopped onions. Cook for like a minute or two and then add chopped tomatoes. And then cook them for a couple of minutes as well, and then add some grounded chicken ka keema, and then start cooking until chicken started to change its color. Then I will add some ginger and garlic. Then I season it with some salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala powder. Now mix all those spices and seasoning with the chicken mixture and then cover and let it cook until all the extra water dries out and everything is completely cooked through. Just mix in intervals and break the bigger chunks and then let it cook until you have a very dry grounded chicken mixture like so. Then I transfer this chicken mixture into a bowl and let it cool down completely. So when it's cooled down, I add some chopped green chilies and chopped cilantro and mix them very well with the grounded chicken. And now it's time to make our samosa. First, making samosa, we need some edible glue, which is usually made with the water and the flour mixture, but I am making with some egg white and the flour, and this will make our samosa more crispier and seal it very nicely. Then take a samosa roll pastry and then take one end of that roll and then make triangle, bring it down, and then with one finger just drag it to the another edge like so. It will make a little hollow pocket and then fill that pocket with the chicken filling. I use almost like a 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of chicken filling. Just push it down, press it firmly, and then flip this triangle and make another triangle. Make sure the edge is connected to another edge to retain the shape. Then take that edible glue and with the help of finger or with the pastry brush, just put it on edge and then flip that edge to shape your samosa. So I'm using that egg white uh, edible glue because it will one seal it completely and then it will make our samosa more crispier because of the egg white. Then I'm putting these samosa on this cutting board which is lined with a plastic sheet, and I will repeat the same process and make the rest of my samosa. So here you can see a perfect triangle samosa is ready, alhamdulillah. I'll keep this tray in the freezer until they are completely frozen. Then I label a Ziploc bag and transfer my frozen samosas into the Ziploc bag, and this Ziploc bag will go back again in the freezer for my Ramadan. When you are ready to fry your samosa, just heat some oil on a medium heat and then add your samosas and fry them until they get very nice golden color on both sides. Now you can air fry these samosas as well, or you can bake them in oven on 375 degrees. Just spray some oil and then bake these samosas. So here my chicken samosa ready for Ramadan. Chicken have that blend flavor, so I'm using this masala chicken mixture and it's different from my beef mixture, but you can follow that recipe for chicken mixture as well, or you can follow this recipe for beef samosa as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. Please remember me and my family in your prayer this Ramadan. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to watch more recipes like this.